Remember, art is a form of self-expression, so let your creativity flow and use it to promote good feelings within yourself and others. Today and every day, I choose to use my actions, words, and choices to spread kindness and make a positive impact on the world around me. Stay with me for the rest of this journey. Thank you. The harsh reality of global warming. Welcome to our special presentation on the alarming reality of global warming. Click on the subscribe button and stay with me until the end of this journey.
Over the past 3 decades, our planet has been experiencing a relentless increase in global temperatures.
Since 1990, the global average temperature has risen by approximately 0.9 degrees Celsius, 1.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
This increase may seem small, but it has profound implications for our climate system. The year, 2016, was the hottest year recorded so far, which indicates the accelerating trend of global warming. And today in 2023 we are witnessing terrible heat.
Atmospheric CO2 concentrations have soared to unprecedented levels. In 1990, the CO2 concentration was around 354 parts per million, ppm. It's really terrible. I think if we continue like this, we won't be able to reach our daily routines in the daylight and under the sun, and we will have to sleep during the day and go out at night.
By 2020, it had surged to over 415 ppm, primarily due to human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation. How can you really destroy these beautiful forests? By killing each tree, you are killing a human being.
Extreme weather events. Global warming intensifies extreme weather events.
Over the past 30 years, we have witnessed a surge in catastrophic events, including heat waves, hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires, causing immense human suffering and economic losses. Why don't governments really do anything? Why don't you stop fossil fuel energy? The Earth is dying. If we don't have air for life, what good is the economy? Do you really not see?
Melting ice caps and glaciers. Since the 1990s, the Arctic sea ice extent has diminished by approximately 13.2% per decade.
Many glaciers worldwide are receding at an alarming rate. We are literally the destroyers of this planet.
The Greenland ice sheet has lost an average of 286 billion tons of ice per year between 1993 and 2016. Let me tell you what disastrous consequences this intensity of melting glaciers has. Floods, landslides, lack of water, disruption of ecosystems, sea level rise, climate change feedback loop. God, what are we doing to this planet? The time to act is now, and together we can make a difference. The Earth is our home, and we must protect it for the sake of future generations. By understanding and acting on this information, we can collectively strive to mitigate greenhouse gas emissions, invest in renewable energy sources, adapt to the changing climate, and work towards a sustainable future for generations to come. Solar energy. Solar power involves harnessing the energy of the sun through the use of photovoltaic, PV, panels or concentrated solar power, CSP, systems. Solar energy is abundant, clean, and can be harnessed in various settings, from large-scale solar farms to residential rooftops.
Wind energy. Wind power utilizes wind turbines to convert the kinetic energy of the wind into electricity. Wind farms are commonly found in areas with consistent and strong winds, such as coastal regions or open plains. Wind energy is a widely available and rapidly growing renewable energy source.
Hydropower. Hydropower generates electricity by harnessing the energy of flowing water. It can be obtained from rivers, streams, or even ocean tides. Hydropower is a mature technology and has been used for many years to generate electricity in large-scale hydroelectric plants. Geothermal energy. Geothermal power harnesses the heat stored within the Earth's crust to generate electricity. This energy is derived from hot water or steam reservoirs underground. Geothermal power plants are typically located in areas with geothermal activity, such as geysers or hot springs.
Biomass energy. Biomass refers to organic matter, such as agricultural waste, wood pellets, or dedicated energy crops, that can be converted into energy. Biomass can be burned to produce heat or electricity, or converted into biofuels like ethanol or biodiesel.
Tidal energy. Tidal power captures the energy from the rise and fall of ocean tides.
This energy is harnessed by using underwater turbines or barrages. Tidal energy is a predictable and consistent renewable energy source, primarily found in coastal areas with significant tidal ranges.
Between 1990 and 2016, the world lost 1.3 million square kilometers of forest. It means an area bigger than South Africa.
During the last 50 years, about 17% of the Amazon rainforest has been destroyed, and these losses are increasing recently.
Statistics of forest destruction by humans. Breaking the record of deforestation in 2016. In 2016, something surprising happened, which made this year known as the year that broke the previous record of deforestation. This year, 29.7 million hectares.
Half of the world's rainforests have been lost in just 1 century, and if we don't take action and the current rate of deforestation continues, the world's rainforests will be completely gone in 100 years.
We have lost forests the size of India. From 2001 to 2018, a total of 3,610,000 square kilometers of tree cover has been lost globally. 13 million hectares of forest have been converted for other uses or destroyed due to natural causes. As you read this, almost 3 hectares of land has been cleared. By understanding and acting on this information, we can collectively strive to mitigate greenhouse gas emissions, invest in renewable energy sources, adapt to the changing climate, and work towards a sustainable future for generations to come. Remember, the time to act is now, and together we can make a difference.
The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Remember, art is a form of self-expression, so let your creativity flow and use it to promote good feelings within yourself and others. Today and every day, I choose to use my actions, words, and choices to spread kindness and make a positive impact on the world around me. Best regards, Nima.
Bye.